Welcome to Highway Hustler, your go-to source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Kawasaki W800, a motorcycle that blends classic British-inspired styling with modern engineering. This retro roadster continues to capture the essence of old-school motorcycling while integrating subtle updates that enhance performance, comfort, and reliability. Design and styling, a tribute to the past. Kawasaki has mastered the art of nostalgia with the W800, retaining its iconic silhouette that pays homage to the legendary W1 of the 1960s. The 2025 model keeps its signature teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, wire spoke wheels, and a generous use of chrome accents, making it a true vintage beauty. The polished aluminum engine covers, dual analog gauges, and ribbed seat further add to its timeless appeal. While it sticks to its retro roots, Kawasaki has refined the fit and finish, ensuring premium quality that modern riders expect. Engine and performance, classic feel with reliable power. At the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki W800 lies the 773 cubic centimeters air-cooled, vertical twin engine, delivering a smooth and predictable ride. Producing around 48 horsepower and 46 lb-ft of torque, it isn't built for outright speed but for an engaging, torquey mid-range that makes city commuting and weekend cruising a joy. The 360-degree crankshaft ensures a balanced power delivery, while the fuel injection system provides crisp throttle response without sacrificing the bike's vintage character. The dual exhaust system not only enhances aesthetics but also delivers a deep, rich exhaust note that complements its classic appeal. The 5-speed gearbox shifts smoothly, making every ride feel engaging, whether you're cruising through scenic routes or navigating urban streets. Chassis and suspension, stability meets comfort. Kawasaki has carefully tuned the double cradle steel frame to offer a stable yet agile riding experience. The 2025 W800 features a telescopic front fork with 41mm tubes and twin rear shocks, providing a balance between classic damping characteristics and modern ride comfort. While it's not a sport bike, the W800's low seat height, 31.1 inches, and relaxed ergonomics make it approachable for riders of all sizes. The handling is neutral and confidence-inspiring, ideal for riders looking for an easygoing ride without sacrificing a touch of sportiness. The spoked 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, fitted with retro-style Dunlop K300 tires, contribute to its classic stance while offering a smooth ride on a variety of road surfaces. Braking and safety, modern stopping power. While the W800 embraces old-school charm, its braking system is all modern. It comes equipped with a 320mm front disc brake and a 270mm rear disc, paired with a standard ABS system. This setup ensures confident stopping power in various riding conditions, making it safer than its vintage ancestors. The braking feedback is progressive, offering ample control whether you're riding leisurely or encountering sudden traffic stops. Kawasaki has struck a fine balance between maintaining the vintage aesthetic and integrating contemporary safety features. Technology and features, subtle yet effective. Unlike tech-heavy motorcycles, the W800 keeps things minimalistic yet practical. The dual analog speedometer and tachometer stay true to its retro theme, while a small LCD screen discreetly provides essential ride information such as odometer, trip meter, and fuel gauge. The LED headlight seamlessly blends with the vintage styling while offering better visibility at night. There are no riding modes or electronic gimmicks, just pure, unfiltered motorcycling. Kawasaki understands that the W800 is for those who appreciate the simplicity of riding rather than being overwhelmed by digital distractions. Riding experience, smooth, engaging, and relaxed on the road. The 2025 W800 is a delight to ride. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat ensure all-day comfort, making it an excellent companion for long-distance cruising. The throttle response is linear, and the engine's mild vibrations add character rather than discomfort. The W800 thrives in urban settings and relaxed highway cruising, offering a composed ride with just the right amount of engagement. It's not about aggressive acceleration or knee-dragging cornering. This bike is all about enjoying the journey, feeling the wind, and experiencing motorcycling in its purest form. Fuel economy and practicality. Easy to live with. The W800's fuel efficiency is another highlight. Thanks to its efficient fuel injection system and modest power output, it delivers an estimated 50 to 55 mpg, making it relatively economical for daily riding and weekend getaways. With a 4-gallon fuel tank, it provides a decent range before needing a refill. Its low-maintenance air-cooled engine and simple mechanical layout make it an easy bike to own and maintain. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner looking for a stylish and reliable classic, the W800 won't demand excessive upkeep. Who is the 2025 Kawasaki W800 for? The W800 is perfect for riders who appreciate retro styling with modern reliability. It's an excellent choice for classic motorcycle enthusiasts who want vintage charm without the headaches of old-school maintenance. Beginner to intermediate riders looking for a relaxed, easy-to-handle motorcycle. Urban commuters who want a stylish, fuel-efficient ride with a commanding road presence. Weekend riders who enjoy leisurely scenic rides without worrying about aggressive performance. However, if you're seeking high-speed thrills or advanced electronics, the W800 might not be for you. Its modest power output and laid-back nature make it better suited for cruising than spirited riding. Final verdict: a motorcycle with soul. The 2025 Kawasaki W800 stays true to its heritage while making subtle refinements for modern-day riders. It's a beautifully crafted, easygoing motorcycle that prioritizes charm, character, and reliability over high-tech features or extreme performance. With its timeless design, smooth engine, and relaxed riding dynamics, the W800 remains a fantastic choice for those who love the classic riding experience. Whether you're an old-school purist or a newcomer drawn to vintage aesthetics, the W800 offers something truly special. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki W800. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Highway Hustler for more motorcycle reviews, riding tips, and everything two-wheeled. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.